Hi there, in this lecture we're going to learn how to print an array. This is very easy actually. So for the first step, let's create an array, still named A. Let's do a one-dimensional one and let's print it. Now you can see the array is printed. It's a one-dimensional array. Now please notice, if you just put the variable name here, the Jupyter notebook will know you want to print it, but if you really write a standalone Python script, this will not work. What you need to do is to put a print function and use the variable, the name of the variable as the parameter for the print function. So you will get a slightly different print. Please notice this is for Python 3 syntax. If you are using any other earlier versions of Python, say Python 2.7, which is very popular, you actually need print A. But this will be wrong in Python 3 because we are using Python 3 here. So let's try. So you can see a syntax error. It's saying that missing parentheses in call to print. So you need to put a parenthesis around the name of the variable. Let's delete that. Okay. So this function works for 2-dimensional and 3-dimensional and other higher dimensional arrays. Let's turn this, try reshape a 2-dimensional array. So you can see it's a 2-dimensional array. Why? Not because it's a row and a column. It's because here, notice, on the beginning of the print, you have 2 left parentheses. That means you have 2 layers in this array. So layers is basically another name for dimension, right? Let's try a 3-dimensional one. There should be 3 layers and 3 left parentheses here. Oh, and there's 3. So it can keep going on, and the parentheses, the number of the parentheses here is just gonna go up, and go up. Now, another thing I want to show you is if you have a really huge array, say you have 10,000 numbers in array A, when you print it, by default, the NumPython will give you a pretty display. Like pretty display means it will only show you the corners instead of the full context, okay? Because if you print out 10,000 observations, it will be a disaster for your visibility. But still, let's try this. So we're going to put 10,000 observations in array A and reshape it to a 2-dimensional array, 100 by 100. Now you see only the corners are printed, everything among them are omitted with dots, you see? Well, most of the times this is what you want, but still there are times that you want to see all of them. You actually have an option to disable this. That is set print options, and you put the threshold parameter to infinite. Okay, so this is NumPython infinite. And we should also move this print line after we change the option, right? Now it should print the full context. You can see it's a lot of numbers. Well, sometimes you want to visually check all the numbers, the elements in the array by your eyes. Well, if that's what you want, then you should use this option. Okay, you can see everything is here. After this, if you want to change it back, just put 3 here, and you are back to the start. Okay, that's all you need to know for printing an array. See you in the next lecture. Bye.